When you think of commercial roofing, opportunity may not be the first word that comes to mind. But at Maxwell Roofing, we offer benefits and ongoing training that provide an opportunity for you to build a rewarding, prosperous, and successful career. At Maxwell Roofing, we're a team of commercial roofing professionals who put our employees first. We are dedicated to excellent craftsmanship and customer service, and that starts with building the right team and giving them the tools to succeed. That's where you come in. Are you looking for a career with a focus on training and professional development, opportunities for advancement, and high earning potential?
Maxwell Roofing is searching for individuals who are punctual, enjoy the outdoors, physical labor, and are willing to learn. Here's what you'll love about working at Maxwell Roofing. No experience required, a minimum of $20 per hour, a range of high-profile projects, a diverse workforce, a team that is more like a family, and a reputable company that cares about its employees.
What stands out about Maxwell Roofing? It's like a family.
Everybody that you talk to is going to be positive, even though this is a really hard job.
Every day ranges from different things. One day might be a service leak called, and one day might be a project putting down a whole roof.
What I love about my job, they treat me right, they take care of me, and I love my job.
Well, the company has been around for a long time, generations through generations at this point, and I'm proud to be part of that.
Once you learn this stuff, the pay scale is, it's something to build a career on, you know what I mean?
Go for it, definitely go for it. You can make a good career out of this job.
As a legacy family business with nearly 70 years of history and experience, Maxwell Roofing is a market leader in quality and customer service. Want to be part of the Maxwell family? Contact us to learn more.